Bored of the same old SUV? Wish you had an exciting hot hatch but your partner won't let you get one? Well, this could be the perfect compromise you've been waiting for. The Cupra Formentor VZx is basically a Volkswagen Golf R, wrapped up in a unique, athletic-style SUV body with lots of bespoke highlights. There is a major update on the way for the Formentor, but it isn't set to arrive in Australia until next year. So you might be able to grab a bargain now, or before the end of the year, as it prepares for the new model. The Formentor is the best-selling nameplate for Cupra in Australia. You can get it in a range of trim levels, including a mild V with all-wheel drive, and even a plug-in hybrid with front-wheel drive. The VZx is the top dog though, equipped with all-wheel drive. Although it is an SUV, the ground clearance of 161mm isn't going to get you far off-road. This example features the optional Akrapovic exhaust system, which is a serious $6,300 commitment. It offers bimodal functioning via the drive mode selector inside. The VZx also wears these venomous-looking 19-inch alloy wheels with copper highlights, wrapped in 245/40 tyres. It does come with multi-piston brakes as standard, but Cupra does offer Brembos as a $4,250 option. Inside, it's kind of weird, but in a good way. It's not upright and wagony like a traditional SUV, but it's not as low as a hot hatch. The windscreen is raked like a hot hatch though, making it feel sporty and low once you're inside. Blue and copper seem to be the going trend in here, with sports seats in the front doing well to grab your kidneys as you fling it down a winding road. Fit and finish seems very good, with quality materials in most areas. Rear seat space is a bit more confined than some of its platform-sharing cousins, including the VW Golf R wagon. The seat bench width seems narrower, and legroom looks smaller, even just the footwell feels smaller. All of the amenities are here though, like cup holders, climate vents, an armrest, and bottle holders in the doors. More of that blue trim is carried over back here. Boot space is rated at 420 litres, which is enough to support the weekly shopping. But again, the way the pillars and swooping roof are shaped, it does appear to sap overall capacity and the perception of space. The boot doesn't look as wide as some cousins either, but that's just the style of SUV this is. It's probably a bit more about sportiness than outright utility. A space-saver spare wheel sits under the floor. As for the engine, yep, it's the legendary EA888 based 2-litre turbo 4-cylinder. Here it develops an impressive 228 kilowatts and 400 newton meters. This is sent through a fast-shifting 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. It goes hard and sounds awesome with that optional exhaust. The fake in-car sounds are really not needed. This is what it goes like.